So I just want to take a second to show you guys something on a project I'm currently working on. This was a 2015 Toyota Prius that came in with a cylinder head gasket leak in cylinder number 2. What I want to stress to you, everyone, is when you have this issue, it's not a death sentence for these cars. It's very fixable. You don't have to go to the dealer for it. There is a local technician here. I work out of Riviera Auto. I do this kind of work. But the thing to stress here is how important it is if you're experiencing that knocking sound on startup and then it goes away and runs fine all day. It's very important that you get your vehicle in as soon as possible to get this addressed, because the long-term effect, if it goes too long, if you look at the difference of these two connecting rods, this one right here has a very pronounced bend right here. See how it's straight right there? When allowed to get too long, what ends up happening is the coolant leaks into the cylinder and coolant does not compress, so the piston goes up and then something has to give, so it bends at the weakest point, and that's in this case it was at the connecting rod. So this wound up costing an extra $1,000 to fix. But I'll tell you this much, the good news is the customer was sent to the dealership and they quoted him $6,400 to have just the head gasket repaired. We're still, even with this, half the cost at what they charge at the dealer to have this repair done. So give us a call, Riviera Auto. We'd love to help you out with your 2010 to 2015 Toyota Prius that has this cylinder head gasket leak issue.